Chicago are a home for many more years. I've been here for about 4 years now. I'm not a native here, but it shouldn't take a native to know that we don't need ice in our fucking streets. Yeah, fuck ICE, fuck the cops, okay? Fuck Donald Trump. Leave Palestine, this is absurd. I don't have anything else to say other than I'm mad, and, you know, protect your neighbors, this whole community right here in this room. If you're just nice to somebody today, that goes a long way.
Hell yeah!
Thank you. In the employee bathroom, and nobody said it